Perched on a cliff overlooking the River Ness, Inverness Castle stands as a defining landmark of the Scottish Highlands. Its elevated position gives it sweeping views of the city of Inverness, making it both a strategic site and a symbol of regional power. The castle's origins date back to the medieval period, when it served as a defensive stronghold controlling access through the Highlands. Over the centuries, it played a role in numerous conflicts, reflecting Scotland's turbulent history of clan rivalries and power struggles. One of its most famous associations is with Macbeth, the legendary Scottish king featured in Macbeth. While the historical accuracy is debated, the connection has firmly embedded Inverness Castle in literary history. The current structure seen today is not the original medieval fortress. It was rebuilt in the 19th century in a castellated style, using red sandstone, giving it the distinctive appearance that dominates the skyline today. Unlike many ancient castles preserved as ruins, Inverness Castle evolved in function. It served as a courthouse and administrative centre, reflecting a shift from military defence to civic use as Scotland modernised. Today, Inverness Castle is being transformed into a visitor attraction, offering insights into Highland culture and history. Overlooking the river and city below, it remains a powerful symbol of Scotland's past and present.